Welcome back to another video, guys. This is your host, Junior Garcia. Today we're in Morristown, New Jersey. A tragedy happened here. Two trees actually hit the house. I'm gonna show you along all the different damages, and then if you're in a situation like this, what do you need to do? Who do you need to call? I'm gonna show you. Follow me along. That's it, the intro. Hey guys, welcome to another remodel. We are in another remodel. Keep watching, keep watching. A storm hit, high winds, hail, tornado, what do, right? First thing you need to do is call your insurance company or call an insurance claim specialist, like a contractor that can deal with the insurance company and take care of the problem. Especially in this case, two trees actually came and hit the home, destroyed the front part of the roof and siding and gutters. And actually the branches were, and you'll see in the videos, the branches were sticking out. We went and put a tarp. On the other side, it damaged the patio door and two windows, and we had to board that up as well. And today is actually day 3. The tree company came yesterday. They cut up all the trees and just remove away all the trees. Let me show you all the trees. So this is one of them, and these are the other ones that fell down. But this one came and scraped the top and hit on top of that roof. So the one on the rear portion of that one really slammed into the back of the house, destroyed the window, 2 windows, and also broke right through the patio door, damaged all the rear siding. So that's all cedar siding. So why do I want to kind of showcase everything? Because through the insurance process, a lot of people don't know, homeowners will pay faithfully every single month their premium, whether it's $100, $200 a month, faithfully to their insurance company. And we can just mention a couple: Allstate, State Farm, Progressive, New Jersey manufactured, Chubbs, whatever it is that you have, right? Or Geico. What happens is the insurance company will come in, the adjuster will come in and says, you know something, you're only entitled to $3,000 to repair it yourself. And you think, wait, that's not even enough to cover the garbage removal, the tree removal, what's going on? So you have to understand that you have to hire a claims specialist, a contractor that knows the whole process from A to Z to deal with the insurance companies, right? So they can maximize the claim, so they can pay for the roof, they can pay for the gutters, they can pay for the siding, they can pay for the interior, pay for the cleaning. But there's a lot of mitigation that's involved in the insurance process. And the insurance company, God bless them all, their job is always to pay less or pay minimal. But a crazy thing, right, guys? They can always pay Mahone, and they can pay everybody else, and Jake from State Farms, and millions of dollars, right? To tell you to go with State Farms, or you're in good hands, or we're like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. I'm not trying to bash them, but I'm trying to tell you the realities of what really happens when you go through a claim. In a claim process, it's almost that you're going through a long process of 3 to 6 months before they actually pay out. Some claims are faster, they take about 30 days, and some companies are very good in paying out and get everything repaired and restored to your home. Let me show you the rear portion of the house and show you all the damage there as well. So I want to show you, right, there's this one tree right over here. That tree, the winds pushed it down, split, and hit the top of this house, damaged the gutters, damaged the windows, and damaged the patio doors, right? And that is up there, see the damage, but also damaged the roof. I went up there myself and marked the roof, how many holes are in that roof. Damaged the patio door, damaged that window, and damaged that window as well. This tree also fell down and snapped, and it was already cleared out. The tree guys came and just, cut the trees back and just cleared up the path. They're gonna come back another day and just remove all the other trees and branches. I mentioned the first thing you need to do is call an insurance specialist, but in reality, if it's a flood, if it's something like that, it's always safety. Safety is first. You have to, secure your family, get your family out of the house and stuff like that. So always safety first, right? And then you can call an insurance claim specialist, right? I always strongly suggest call a contractor that deals with insurance claims, like a claim specialist, first before calling the insurance, because they'll know the whole process, because they'll be able to push the whole process a little bit more faster than just calling your insurance claim. Because remember, at the same time that you're having a storm, other people are going through a storm too, and the phone is being jammed up. So there's a process, right? The number one thing you need to understand about the insurance company is they don't like to pay out. right? They don't like to pay out. They don't like to pay out. They don't like to pay out. Remember that. Remember that. So I wanted to kind of show you guys when the tree fell on top of the house and branches penetrated and made a hole right through the plywood. It was still raining. The drywall inside the garage started to come through. Water started going on top of the car. Drywall splattered everywhere on the car. It damaged the Infinity car that he has as well. And it also got flooded inside the garage. So a lot of people say, well, I'll just wipe that down. No, there's actually damages to the vehicle as well. So we want to let you guys know that the insurance will pay for every single thing. Remember, and the key word here is if it's an act of God, right? If it's an act of God, the insurance company cannot raise up your rates. So if it's a man-made accident, then obviously by the next year, your insurance rates will go up. But if it's an act of God, your insurance rate, they cannot raise up your rates. Why are these videos important, right? Because you really need to know what is the process when a storm does happen, right? Because we generally tend to panic, right? First is safety, right? Safety, safety, safety. Get your family in a safe area. I've been to homes where, probably about 10 years ago, where trees fell on top of a gentleman's house. He was a doctor, and the house was fully condemned. They had to move him. The insurance company paid for him to stay in a hotel for about 6 months, right? Until they can find a place for him to stay, until they can reconstruct the house. That's a different story. I'll do that on a podcast. But first thing is safety. You have to remove your family out of the house. You know, maybe you have to turn off the electrical because there might be that the tree hit the electrical wire and the power went off or something. The second thing is that you should call an insurance claim specialist first before you call the insurance company, right? Because you want to go somebody to give you the orientation, the real orientation of the insurance process, how it's going to go from A to Z, right? And then you can call your insurance company with the insurance claim specialist. Remember, the insurance companies are not on your side, guys. They don't want to pay. They don't want to pay. Or if they pay, they want to pay the minimal they can possibly give you because they're always in a business to make money. You know, I'm sad to say, me personally, I changed my insurance company to my homeowners insurance. Why? Because I knew that the coverage that they were giving me is not going to be maximized, right? So I said, I have to protect my house as a homeowner. And so I said, you know something, I'm going to get a better insurance company that's really going to cover me for everything in my house, all the other items in my house, the shed, the pergola, my pool table, and et cetera, and that we're really, really, really covered, right? And then in your policy, take some time, read through your policy, see if you're really covered. Some people are not covered for flood. Some people are not covered for a sub pump. Some people are not covered for a lot of different things, and you think you're covered, and then when the situation happens, they will deny your claim and says you have to take care of yourself. Remember, guys, when you put in insurance, you still have to pay a deductible, and you pay that to your contractor. Guys, I hope you liked this video and you liked this content. If you did, please leave me a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll definitely answer you back. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to leave a comment below. We're gonna be heading over to Short Hills to show you our siding job over there. Keep watching.